Good morning, Shavua Tov. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in to Kila Chari Torah's daily Halacha review for Monday, August 8th. We are now about 7 weeks away from the high holidays, from Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, Sukkot, Shmini Atzeres, Simchas Torah, and just about 3 weeks away from the beginning of the month of Elul. So with that in mind, we're going to get ahead of the game, and we're going to begin now reviewing the laws of pertinent to Elul and preparing ourselves and experiencing getting the most from the high holidays. We'll begin today with the laws about the month of Elul. Kitzur Shulchan Aruch writes as follows: the days from Rosh Chodesh Elul until after Yom Kippur are days of divine favor and acceptance, even though, as we know, throughout the entire year HaKadosh Baruch Hu accepts the repentance, the tshuva of those who return to Him wholeheartedly. Nevertheless, these days are unsurpassed and most suitable for repentance because these are specifically days of mercy and favor. On Rosh Chodesh Elul, Moshe went up to Mount Sinai to receive the second tablets, and he remained there for 40 days and descended back to us, back to Am Yisrael, with the second tablets on Yom Kippur, on the 10th of Tishrei, when the atonement was completed. From then on, these days have been designated as days of divine favor and acceptance, and the 10th of Tishrei has been designated as Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement. In most communities, it's the custom to fast the day before Rosh Chodesh Elul and recite prayers of Yom Kippur Katan, a minor Yom Kippur, which some people observe on Erev Rosh Hashanah, in order to be spiritually prepared for repentance. If Rosh Chodesh occurs on Shabbos, Yom Kippur Katan is held the previous Thursday. The Ari, Rabbi Yitzhak Luria of blessed memory, wrote, "If he did not lie in ambush, but God made it happen, I will provide." The initials of the words Ina liyado v'samti lecha form an acronym, an acrostic for the name Elul, to indicate that this is a favorable time for repentance to be accepted for the sins committed during the entire year. It alludes to the fact that sins that were done inadvertently also require tshuva during this month. The interpreters of allusions of references and scriptural references also found in the words in chapter 30 of Deuteronomy, verse 6, "And God your God will circumcise your heart and the heart of your children." The initials of the words Es Levavcha v'Es Levav, etc., also form the words Elul. And the initials of Ani Ledodi v'Dodi Li, I am my beloved's, my beloved is mine, from the 6th chapter of Song of Songs, are again Elul. And one more reference that they highlight from the 9th chapter of the book of Esther, Megillas Esther, Ish l're'ehu umatanos levyonim, one to another and gifts to the poor, also spells out Elul. These are an allusion to three things: to repentance, prayer, and tzedakah, which must be practiced zealously with great intensity during this month. One refers to repentance, one refers to prayer, and one refers to tzedakah, as we can readily see. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Please join us then. In the meantime, have a good day and a good rest of your week.